So, I just got done reading this book called The Yes Man.
This book.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I'm sure you've heard of it because they made a movie out of it and it's got Jim Carrey in it and everybody knows who Jim Carrey is. I decided I was going to do the same thing. Say yes to everything.
Clearly, this could cause me some issues if people know who I am. Therefore, I'm wearing the mask.
I'm a college student, and that means I can't go getting myself in debt or, you know, thrown in jail. I have rules.
There are a few provisos, a couple of quid pro quos. Like?
Rule number 1, no expensive yeses.
I am a college student. I am not made of money.
Rule number 2, I will not morally compromise myself.
I will not kill anybody, so don't ask.
Rule number 3,
I will say yes to myself. Any crazy ideas, any strange whims I have, like to make paper wings and jump off the top of a building or whatever. Except, you know, maybe not that one because I think I'd probably die. In any case, this is the Yes Project, and I will be making a video blog about each day and the things I say yes to. So I'm going to set up an email for the Yes Project. Each day I will choose an email sent to the Yes Project at random, and as long as it doesn't violate any of the rules, I will say yes to it. That means people send me opportunities for yeses. Any crazy, whatever you can think of, as long as it doesn't get me put in jail. That's
Morally compromising.
Yeah, morally compromising, exactly. Don't get me put in jail. Because that's not cool.